Do you ever feel like there's never enough time in the day? Like no matter what you do, your to-do list just keeps growing? Well, today we're going to fix that with 5 simple skills to manage your time better and get more done without burning out. Skill 1. Make work an adventure. Think about your day like a video game. Every task is a quest or mission. Instead of work all day, give your tasks fun names and schedule them in your calendar. When you treat work like an adventure, it's easier to stay motivated and less boring. Skill 2. Time blocking. Plan your day. Time blocking means putting your tasks into your calendar. Not just meetings or appointments, but everything. Work, gym, even breaks. When you can see your day planned, you stop guessing and start controlling your time. Without time blocks, you might just waste hours scrolling on your phone without realizing it. So block time for important things and make sure you stick to those blocks. Skill 3. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking sounds cool, but it actually wastes time. Studies say people lose about 25% of their workday switching between tasks. The trick? Single tasking. Focus on one thing at a time, like a laser beam. Turn off your phone notifications and just work on that one thing until it's done. You'll be amazed at how much faster you get things done. Skill 4. Follow through. Do what you say. Planning is good, but if you don't follow through, it's useless. We all make excuses. I'm tired. I'll do it later. Here's a way to fight that. Get clear on what you want to do. Push past fear or hesitation. Just start, even if it's just a little bit, and get someone to keep you accountable, like a gym buddy or a friend checking in. It's easier to stay on track when someone's watching. Skill 5. Boost your energy. Time isn't the only problem. Sometimes it's your energy. You can plan all you want, but if you're tired, it's hard to work. To keep your energy up, play. Make your work fun. Add a challenge or reward. Power. Work on things you're good at and enjoy. People. Surround yourself with supportive friends or coworkers. When you have energy, time management feels easier, and work feels better. So remember, make your work an adventure. Block your time. Focus on one thing. Follow through and keep your energy up. Try these out for a few weeks and watch how much more you get done.